Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the PhotoGrid Video Collage Maker app and whether it's worth using. Quick disclaimer. This is an explained review based on user feedback and online data, not personal use or a visual demo. PhotoGrid is a creative video and photo collage app that allows users to combine multiple videos and images into polished collages or slideshows. The app offers customizable templates, drag-and-drop editing, stickers, text overlays, filters, and music integration. It also supports different aspect ratios for social media platforms and provides an easy-to-use interface for both beginners and casual creators. Let's talk about how it performs in actual use. The app is popular among social media users and casual creators for its intuitive design, quick editing workflow, and a variety of creative options. Users appreciate the ability to preview edits in real time, add music to collages, and share finished content directly to platforms like Instagram, TikTok, or WhatsApp. The template library and sticker packs are also frequently praised for enhancing visual appeal. Still, the app isn't without its downsides. Many advanced features, high-quality exports, and additional content packs require a subscription, which may not suit everyone's budget. Some users report occasional lag with larger projects or longer videos, and ads in the free version can interrupt the creative process. Additionally, the app may feel limited for professional-level video editing compared to desktop software. If you're finding this helpful so far, hit that like button. It really supports the channel. In summary, the PhotoGrid app may be worth using if you're looking for an easy, fun, and mobile-friendly way to create video collages or social media content. It shines in simplicity, variety of templates, and sharing features. However, if you need professional-level video editing or ad-free full access without subscription, it might not fully meet your needs. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For inquiries, contact the email address stated in the description.